All right, it has been too long since I've seen you guys or talked to you guys, but I am back again, guys. All right, so I got a couple things in the mail, and I'm going to bring those to you, and I'm going to take you through my thought process before I buy silver or gold. So stay right there. Alright guys, here it is, back by popular demand. You guys asked for it. I'm gonna give it to you. It is our troll comment of the week. And who is it? Oh my goodness. It is the stacking stormtrooper. And he asked, why are you wearing gloves while handling your capsules? It seems like overkill. And that's true. Yes, it is true. You do not need to wear gloves to handle your capsules. But I am a blue collar worker and my hands are always trashed with cuts, scrapes, gouges, you name it. They're on my hands. So I wear gloves to protect you guys from seeing that horrendous crap on my hands. So, because I am a hand model on YouTube apparently. So I gotta make it look as good as I can. All right. But my question for you is why are you a grown man wearing a costume? All right. And that's our troll comment of the week. Stay tuned. I got a little B-roll footage for you. I hope you enjoy it.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back. Man, it's been a minute, huh? One video in 2 months, that's probably not gonna cut it, so I gotta step my game up, I guess. Alright guys, yes, how I find or how I go about buying gold and silver. This is my ultimate way that I like to do it. It just makes sense to me. I don't know, you may be able to use it. I don't know that there's a lot of new people still commenting on my videos, even though I haven't posted much lately. And yeah, I did pick up a couple things. 2 of them you already see right there, but I'll just go ahead and show you guys. This is the red flag fleet. It is the 3rd in the series, and my camera's not wanting to focus. All right, maybe you're gonna work, maybe not. There we go. All right, there you go. Not the best looking design out there, but it is one in the series, so I had to get it. I do have the other ones, and I just had to get this one to go with it. Whether I like it or not, it just doesn't matter. So another one that I did pick up and I have not shown you guys is I did pick up another 1/2 ounce American Gold Eagle, and this is going to be kind of what I'm talking about as far as how I go about buying gold and silver and how I like to do it and what makes a little bit more sense. All right, so going forward, and yes, I did, guys, I did get another thing. Let me show you. You guys see it right there. That's one I already had, and yeah, I got another one. Isn't she pretty? All right, yeah, and I'll show you guys, why I went ahead and I picked up another one of these. Number one, man, it's a stunner. It's a beautiful coin. And number 2, the security features on it, there's 3 of them I know of, right? You got the micro etching as far as the engraving around the pattern. You can see it starting around the 1 ounce underneath there, but there is some engraving in there. I can't remember what it says. Forgive me. But if you know what it is, leave it down in the comments. And then you have the padlock, and then you have the waves right here. And then on the obverse, you obviously have the galoche pattern that it's not new, but it's still there. So yeah, stoked to pick up another one of those. They are highly reflective. I gotta get it in the capsule here in a minute after this video. Woo. All right, 24K, you gotta be careful with that stuff. I don't like to take those out of the capsules. All right, so how do I go about doing this? How do I like to buy my gold and silver? All right, first, right, I have a separate checking account that I use, and I deposit directly from my direct deposit goes into there. So what I do is, once I have enough cash saved up for a 10-ounce bar, I go ahead and I call my LCS, or I go to my LCS, check them out, see what the prices are, see what the premiums are. If I don't like them, then I pass, right? I check out the rounds. If I don't like the rounds, I pass. If I'm just not paying $5 over spot for a round, right? It just doesn't make a whole lot of sense for me. But that's just my thought process. All right. So once I do that, what do I like to do? I like to step it up. I like to look for a full tube of American Silver Eagles, right? It doesn't matter the year. The years are irrelevant, guys. Do not focus on the years. It does not matter, okay? Years do not matter. If you need a 2021, yeah, just buy one of them, right? You don't have to have tons and tons of them, okay? But yeah, that's the next thing that I look for. If the premiums are stupid like they are on those, yeah, then I will pass, right? And then I will look at the maples. If the maple premiums are stupid, then I will pass on the silver maples. Then I'll look at the American Gold Eagles as far as your quarter ounce, and I'll look at the quarter ounce maples. If the premiums are bad on those, and if I'm going to be paying like $2,200 an ounce for gold, as far as that goes, then I pass, right? Because it just doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So it just takes patience, right? So then I step it up to the half ounce. And if I'm going to be paying $2,100 for an ounce of gold, then I do pass on those, even though I like to buy the fractional, because not everybody can afford a full ounce of gold. So I kind of take that into consideration. So whenever I go to sell one day, having fractional gold is going to be beneficial. So that leads me to the American Gold Buffalo. I love the American Gold Buffalo. It's my favorite coin. And the premiums are ridiculous on those as well. So if those are bad, I pass. So I picked up, the 2021 Britannia for 5% over spot. And that's about the best case scenario. Sure, you can get a Krugerrand, but I'm not a fan of Krugerrands. I'm just not. I'm just going to put it out there to you guys. The gold, I'm not a fan of the Krugerrands. I'll probably get scolded in the comments down below, but that's just me. I don't like to buy the Krugerrands, and I don't like to buy circulated gold. It's just a pet peeve of mine. If I'm going to pay a good, price for gold or silver, I just don't want circulated stuff. That's just me, guys. That's just me. But, stack however you want to stack. All right. Now, I also use a website, and it kind of breaks it down. And it'll even, if you don't want to do all that math, it'll break it down for you. Also, it'll give you the premiums that you'll be paying on your gold and your silver. And I'm going to take you over there right now. All right, guys, here we are. We are on www.finebillionprices.com. It's not the end all be all for deals, but this is a great site to go to try to find something that you're looking for. And this site, if you exhausted all options, it will help you narrow your search, and it'll give you percentages as well. So in my case, as far as the 1 ounce gold that I was looking for, this right here is pretty easy. Click on 1 ounce gold, and it's going to take you directly to the cheapest gold that you can find. And right now it is the 2021 1 ounce Australian kangaroo. And then as you can see, it goes from there. And if you want, oh, that's a good price on that buffalo. Okay, sorry, I gotta stay focused. All right, so this is what I picked up, and the premiums have already come down since when I bought. When I bought, the premium on the 2021 Britannia was a little over 5%. So as you can see right here, premiums are already below 5%. So that is a good sign that premiums are starting to come down on your gold bullion. And that is a very good indicator of where things should go. So whenever spot price stabilizes for a while, like it has been, the premiums will start to subside. So it gives you the website right here. It's a hot link. You can click on it. It'll take you to that website, and if you wanted to, you can buy it. It gives you the price, and then it gives you the premium, which is what I like. It gives you the best possible outcome for your purchase, and it also tells you what the dealer premium is or what they're getting from when they bought it. So kudos to findbullionprices.com. It's a great site. Like I said, you could, if you can find this, good luck. I doubt if there's anything in there, but pretty good website. You can break it all down. You can go through American Gold Eagles, American Gold Buffaloes, you name it. I mean, you can break it all down. You can go shop by bars, whatnot. Pretty much all the way around. Whatever you're looking for, this site can help you get there, guys. And let's check this out, because that's a good price right now for the American Gold Buffalo. $18.47. That's a good deal at the moment. 6%, 6.38%. That's a pretty good deal right there, guys. That's about normal where it used to be before all this crap went down. So it looks like things are starting to come back around, and that's good. So thanks again for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It took me a long time to make this video, and I just want to say a massive thank you to you guys. And remember, keep grinding on your stack.